Hey, Eden with another video here. Just gonna show you some work that I got done, electrical work. Um, I want to show you how we do things in Trinidad. It may be able to be applied to your jurisdiction, I don't know, but I'm gonna show you anyways. We have red clay bricks in Trinidad, and what I'm doing on this project is the electrical for an extension of an existing house. That's the existing house there, and this new area here that I'm going to show you is the new added on piece. So I'm doing the wiring for it, just basic plugs, lights, AC receptacles, and so on. Right, so I'm just going to show you. Um, so I used PVC conduit, plugs as well. And these are just roughed in. When the mason comes, it will be plastered. What we do is horizontally we run the conduit inside of the bricks. As you can see, there are two chambers, two holes in the bricks. You can run it horizontally, and then vertically it's cut. The cutout is you knock out the cut, place your PVC conduit in boxes and everything, and you rough it in again with some mortar just to hold it in, and when the mason comes he would plaster it up and make it look neat. So it runs horizontally within the bricks, right, and vertically it goes up. I'm just running one light circuit right now, so I stopped to make this video because I keep forgetting that I have to do videos, you know. So plugs, vertical, lights go up to the top as well. That's the conduit there that I just ran, and all of it goes to the panel box, which I'm still wiring right now. So right now, so that's the vertical and the horizontal look. I placed one junction box there. Another one over here is opened. That's what I'm working on right now. And as I said, everything is just roughed in. So once that is done, the mason is going to come and plaster everything over and just finish it, give it that finishing look. Right, so what I'm doing, I'm just running out the rest of the circuits today for lights and for plugs, and then I'll be done with that. It looks a little confusing, but grid sealing is going to come all around here, and that's going to be covered. But that's how my spaghetti runs look, right? This is my supply box here. We use 2.5 millimeter for plugs, which is I think 14 AWG, and we use the 1.5 millimeter for switches, lights, and so on. So we have 2x4 PVC boxes, 4x4 boxes, receptacles, ends to connect the boxes with the conduit. So that's my little supply box there, Marrett's connectors, and that's what I'm doing. So like, subscribe, share, send a comment. I love to hear from you. God bless you, and we'll see you again.